Farmers insurance price increase. Why your premium may go up. Farmers insurance, like other providers, adjusts premiums based on factors such as inflation, claims trends, and individual risk assessments. If you've noticed a price increase, understanding the reasons can help you explore ways to reduce your costs. 1. Common reasons for farmers insurance. Price increases. Rising repair and replacement costs. Vehicle and home repair costs have increased due to inflation, supply chain disruptions, and labor shortages, leading to higher claim payouts and premium adjustments. Increased claim frequency and severity, more accidents, extreme weather events, and natural disasters contribute to higher industry-wide claim costs, which impact policy rates. Your claims or driving history. If you've had an accident, filed a claim, or received a traffic ticket, your premium may increase at renewal. Even not-at-fault claims can sometimes affect pricing. Statewide or regional rate adjustments. Insurance rates are regulated at the state level. If Farmers sees higher claim payouts in your area, they may adjust rates for all policyholders in that region. Changes in credit score, where applicable. Some states allow insurers to use credit-based insurance scores to determine risk. If your credit score has dropped, it may lead to a rate increase. 2. How to lower your farmer's insurance premium. Step 1. Review your coverage and remove unnecessary add-ons to lower costs. Step 2. Increase your deductible to reduce your monthly premium. Step 3. Ask about discounts such as multi-policy, safe driver, and loyalty discounts. Step 4. Consider enrolling in Signal Farmers Telematics program to earn discounts based on safe driving habits. Step 5. Shop around and compare quotes to see if you're getting the best rate for your coverage needs. If your farmer's insurance premium has increased, reviewing your policy and exploring discounts can help offset the cost. To find out if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.